a small community, you have to find ways to provide services to your community that are cost effective and that add value in innovative ways. And when you are in a small city, your resources are limited. And so one of the ways to achieve that is to use technology to your advantage. I think the primary technology issues that we wanted to address were finding a way to have monitoring of our community more globally, not intended to monitor it 24/7, but smart enough technology that would allow us to respond to critical incidents. We ultimately implemented a fairly comprehensive citywide license plate reader system on almost all major intersections and entrances and exits to the community.
And they have the ability to read license plates that we can go back and use to solve crimes, and it's been very successful into solving a lot of our retail theft crimes. One of the unique ways that the camera system has helped the community here with safety is not always related in a criminal nature. For instance, we had an elderly lady that left her residence. She had dementia. It was routine that she didn't know where she would at or where she would be going, and we're able to use the camera system to track down her license plate and safely locate her within about an hour and a half and get her back to her family and get her the help she needed.
What we like most about the connected communities as a safer solution is that it provides us the opportunity to monitor areas of our community that we can't have law enforcement monitoring 24/7. It also has helped us to address theft, missing persons, minor crimes, as well as traffic-related incidents.
Working with the City of Riverbank has been extremely gratifying. We feel it's a city that's been a pioneer in this space, and it has really allowed us to bring in our technology, use artificial intelligence. We've been extremely happy working with the city, and we're already looking at multiple phases. I discussed the city parks and other areas. We're also looking at things, for example, providing public Wi-Fi in the city parks, addressing what's called the digital divide, right? Where now we're providing the public with Wi-Fi access, as well as protecting them while they're visiting those parks in the city.
To make a city more innovative and more connected, you have to have a solid plan for the future. We plan to use technology more as we move forward and taking what we have built upon here in stepping steps up to where we can integrate drones and other technologies to incorporate a total package. And then over every 18 months, review what we have, making sure that we're on top of where we need to be and that we are still following the direction of where we want to be.